Hi everyone, welcome to Data Server. My name is Taiwo. Our today's topic, as shown on the screen, is to show you how to connect Excel in OneDrive Personal to Power BI, step by step. So in this tutorial, I will walk you through an alternative way to host your report on Power BI service. We will connect an Excel file stored on OneDrive Personal to Power BI desktop. Then refresh and publish to Power BI services. This method is helpful for personal project and small business owner as it provides a cost-effective solution that avoids the need for monthly Power BI subscription. And the essence of this tutorial is to save you cost. Because if you are using Power BI Business, which is more straightforward, you don't need to go through all this because it's more straightforward due to connection. But the most important aspect of this tutorial is because if you copy your direct link, it's not going to work. I'm going to go to the next slide. This direct copy link of when you right mouse click on your OneDrive web page is not going to work, this one. And there are three stages, and the second stage is when you expand your link copy from the shared drive, is still not going to work. So both direct copy link and the blank expand link, they are not going to work, and this is the link that will work. So this particular 3-4 slide that I demonstrated few seconds ago, I'm going to do it practical for you to see what I'm trying to say so that you can understand how to do it in real life scenario. So if you want to do your project, so come with me. I'm going to load my OneDrive page first to show you. So before I go further, let me show you the already designed Power BI report that's similar to what we want to do. As you can see, this particular Power BI is already designed, is interactive. And we have the same data set that we want to use. You can see we have category, order date, postal code, price, product name, quantity, region, ship date, state, total price. So this is the same thing similar to what we want to show you as a tutorial. So before we go further, let me show you. If you click File, we go to Option and Setting, and we click Data Source. You can see this particular data was generated from OneDrive. So if I do anything to my Excel file in OneDrive and click refresh, automatically updated, and I just upload onto Power BI services, just go to sign in. And note this particular Power BI is the latest one, which is August 2025. You can use the old version, you're still going to have the same thing. So I'm going to load my OneDrive now, so to show you what to do. So it's loading. So my OneDrive page is loaded successfully. Okay, this is my OneDrive page. This is my Excel file. Let me open it for you to see. Before I open it, you have to first and foremost, but because I've done it, but let me show you how to do it. You click these three dots, click share, and I've already set it to anyone with the link. That's the setting can edit. Make sure you have that in place in your one. So if you are just new to OneDrive, register with OneDrive is free, and upload your Excel file, whatever file you want to use. You can use CSV or Excel direct file. So then you click copy the link. It's going to show you this. You copy this link. So this link is copied. We close, we minimize. Then I'm going to load my Power BI blank page. This is my Power BI blank page. And let me click to show you. If I click here, I click get data, then I go to web. Your screen layout might not be a bit different because this is the latest August 2025 Power BI. So don't mind, everything is still go through get data, and you can use it with the older version. So you paste your copy link into this URL, you click OK. This is not working. It's loading. As you can see, this is not what we want. This is just table attribute from the OneDrive page. So it's not what we want. We're going to click cancel. So we're going to our notepad. Let us paste to just differentiate. So what we need to do, this particular code that we copy from the share, we have to take it to our OneDrive page. This is our OneDrive page. We click blank and we paste that code here and we press enter, and it's loading and successfully loaded. This is our Excel file. We have 18 record in this particular Excel file, and we have about, you see, it's showing 19, but it's 18 minus the heading. So and the total price showing, let's see, it's showing 25,453.37 pence. So this is not what we are after, but we're just showing you the calculation. So what we are after is the link. We copy this link, Control C, we minimize, we go to our notepad. I'm going to paste this link copy into notepad. So if I use this link, it's still not going to work. I'm going to demonstrate that to you. So that's the second stage. We have 3 stages: get data, web. It's loading. I'm going to paste into our URL. It's still not going to work. Still error. That's not what we want. So we click cancel. So now I'm going to go back to our notepad. Then this is the trick, the one that will make it work. Remember, this is the last code. So I'm going to duplicate this code, come down, so that in case we miss any of the line. So what we need to do, if you look at this from anything from question mark will remain for this code. From HTTPS to edit, we replace it with https://onedrive.live.com/download. We copy this, Control C, then we will replace it with this. Remember, is the second expand code from the blank page that you have to use, not this first one. So we replace it with this, up to edit, Control V to paste. Then we copy. This is the old one. This is the one we have to that we replace. Remember, with download and the question mark and the rest of the code. So we copy up to here. Right mouse click, copy. Then we go back to our Power BI, get data, web. Then we paste our code. This is our code that will work. So based on what we demonstrated in this first slide a few minutes ago, that's exactly what we've done in practical. So as you can see, this one is loading and it's loaded successfully. This is what we want. You can see this is our table name, this is our tab name. So we are after our table name and it's loading. We don't need to do anything to this because this is all the data we want. We want product name, order date, ship date, state, postal code, region, category, price, quantity, and total price. So we don't need to click transformation of data, transform data. We just want to load it. We load it. You can see, let's see our data page to show you that it's loading there. So because it's still applying change, that's why error sound. But table OneDrive is loading. It's going to add it to it just to show you that there's nothing on that data page. So let's see if tally with our OneDrive Excel. Category, order date, postal code, price, product name, quantity, region, ship date, state, total price. This is all what we want, and it's successfully loaded. So let's populate our data. To populate our data, to have more space for our we're just going to check our canvas page, so which is what we want. It's a bit, so we give our page so that whoever comes to our report understand what we are after, what is the page is all about. So, and to do that, we click here, the text box, and give it heading, and we format it to, we're going to make this one 28, and we'll bold central, and we're going to make it, okay, and 0, make it 24 so that everything can accommodate, and we size it, and we go to effect, the background, make it blue, we turn the text to white. That's it. Okay, our background is done. We can increase the size to 28 again. That's it. And the next thing to do is to populate our data. And that's our table. We don't want this filter on. We want product name and state and total price, and we can format it to be size 14. Go to value and change it to 12. So we increase the header to 12 bold for legible to see it. And, okay, this is small. Okay, we can change our value again. Okay, and we want to format the border, visual border, to be blue and size 5. That's it. That's all we need to do with our table, and we have to duplicate this table because we're going to generate more graphic layout. Control C, Control V, and we're going to remove product name. We just want state and total price for our pie chart. Change this one to pie chart. And we duplicate again, Control C, Control V. And we'll make this one to be cluster column chart. And this one, which is said. So I'm going to make this one cluster. That's it. So the next thing to do is to create our KPI. We're going to click the card. The first KPI we're going to create is going to be total price, so that we can compare our value in our OneDrive. And we're going to decrease it to 36, bold, and also we won't bother for the KPI. We're going to make the border to be pink, size 10 and 5. That's it. Then we're going to duplicate this, Control C, Control V, and we want for quantity, and also to tell us the total record we have to create measure. We right mouse click, we click new measure. Now measure will be based on the total record count, so we change the measure to total record count, and we use the count function. And our count function will be based on category. We close our bracket, we press enter. We duplicate this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and we change it to, we remove quantity, we change it to, that's it. So we want to make our color meta to be bold. That's it, done. So the last what we need in our report is the slicer. We can duplicate this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, so what we need to do is to change this to remove the card option. We change it to slicer and we select category. We increase the size of the value to be visible 14. Also the that will be 14 bold. And that's it. And we have to duplicate this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and we change it to state, region. We remove category, we change it to region. And this is all what we want. So let's see whether it's interactive. If you click here, you see it's interactive, it's working, it's interactive, it's working, it's interactive. There you go. So this is all what we need to do. So now let's just do some little changes to our OneDrive, just to showcase that this we can use this for real life projects. And I'm going to load our OneDrive. So remember we have 18 record here. As you can see, let us save and click refresh. We save. After we save, go to home. Click refresh. So it's going to show us 18. I'm going to quickly add. Okay, then go to our OneDrive. This is our OneDrive. So when we add, then we show if it's working. So we have this record that we want to add. So we're going to add this additional 2 records to make it 100, not all of them. Control C, copy. Then we're going to highlight all the way to here. Control V. So now our record is now, if you look at the quantity, is now on, it's 104. So but the total record is 20. So we click refresh. After that, it's refreshing. Then that's it. Then we minimize, we go back to our report. Then you can click refresh again. Automatically we have 2 records, but the 18 will show to 20. That's it. That's turned to 20. This is all what you need to do. The sky is limit. So this is how to achieve this task. It's not difficult. Come for more tutorial. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I remain yours, Taiwo. For those of you that want to watch how to do it in Google Drive, go back to our channel. You will see that one is already done. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye.